Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I decided to do 4 coasters today, inspired by my friend Nick from Dominik Scherl Fluid Art. My first attempt here, as you can see, was a fail. So I'm just putting paint on top of that. The colors I'm using are my base coat, or my pillow paint, is Amsterdam Payne's Gray. And then I have the colors from Golden, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, from DecoArt Metallics, 24 karat gold, from Pebeo Studio Art, the iridescent blue green, and then also an Amsterdam pearl white. This was my first one, and as you see when I put it away, the more it's sitting, you'll see that it just starts actually creating more cells and lacing. I do think that my cell activator, which consists of Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol, 1 to 3, so 1 part paint, 3 parts Australian Floetrol. It had been sitting for quite a while in my little cup, so I think that it was a little slower in reacting, and maybe for my next coasters I'm gonna just use some freshly mixed cell activator, because I think it might actually make a difference. But yeah, as you see, I'm just going through each of these 4. I did try on the second or third one. I actually added a little cell activator at the bottom to just maybe create a little more cells and more interesting lacing. But yeah, they really dried up beautiful, and definitely they develop while they're just sitting there waiting. I have a little blooper reel at the end. One of them I decided to do a swipe instead, and yeah, you'll see this one was the swipe. It ended up being a mess, so I'm pouring on that as well again, and the second result was a lot better. But you should stick around for the blooper reel. It's actually pretty funny, I think, that what happened. And yeah, as you can see, the way that I'm blowing these, I'm definitely copying Nick's way of doing it, so I'm not just blowing from the inside out the whole way around, but at one part I blow back in over the middle to create a more non um, what am I trying to say? Less symmetric, of course, is what I'm looking for. Don't know why that escaped me. So this was a lot of fun. I'm really gonna try to do another batch where I'll use some white or gray background or pillow paint, and then I would like the Payne's gray to be more predominant in the pores. But yeah, really love them. They're gonna look awesome when they get some resin on them. And thanks again to Nick for inspiring me and also pushing me to try to make these. It's been a lot of fun. I really loved it. They are very small. I'm gonna put a thin layer of cork on the back. I got these self-adhesive cork rounds that you can put on the back. They're very thin. They're 1 millimeter thin. You can add more, of course, if you want it a little thicker, but I think it's gonna work out fine. As you'll see, I was not happy with the result of this last one, so I'm adding a little more Payne's Gray and just some more cell activator, just to give it a little more interest. And I like the way that it actually ended up. And look at the other 3. You can see that while they've just been sitting there, there's been more cells have popped up, and the lacing gets more apparent. Okay, I actually decided to give it another try, apparently, with all the colors. I didn't remember that, but yeah, I was not happy with the result, so give it another go. And that turned out to be a good idea. I really like this last one. Well, I love all 4. But Yeah, stick around as I said for the blooper reel. It is actually a lot of fun, I think. Especially when one of the coasters goes flying off. If you enjoyed watching this, please hit the like button. Also leave a comment for me if you have any questions or any comments. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. These are the wet results, as you can see, just after they've been sitting for, I think, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And yes, my workspace is a mess. I'm have to clean up all these skins and all that. This is the dried. No, that's not the dried. That's the wet result. Here comes the dried results. Um, as you can see, they've dried kind of flat, but resin will definitely make them pop again. So I can't wait to resin these. And yep, stick around for the blooper reel. I'm not gonna talk over the blooper reel, but I hope that you enjoyed this and have a great day. Bye.